Okay, guys, double negatives. I'm sure you've heard of them. Everyone's heard of them. In fact, kids and people who use slang use them a lot. The definition of a double negative is in its name. It's a question or a statement that uses two negatives. The most common ones we hear are the I am not going, the nots. You see, the negatives in this case, the nots, cancel each other out. Sensors do. Instead of saying I am not going, you could say I am going. I'll tell you just one more to help you get a feel of this. Another is I didn't see nothing. This is one you may hear a child say or a child whine. Instead of saying I didn't see nothing, you could say I saw nothing. Those are some of the more obvious ones. The words not, can't, no, don't, and even the prefix un are in fact negatives. So when someone says, I am not unconvinced, it may be harder to realize that that indeed is a double negative. Now, in our case, we will use double negatives in terms of surveys. You don't want to confuse the person who is taking the survey, so that is why we keep double negatives out of the picture. For instance, if you ask a question that starts like this, do you disagree that there is not? It may confuse the person taking the survey because you have disagree and then you have not, and those are both negatives in the same sentence. In order to fix this problem, you would simply take out the second negative and just make it a positive. Instead of saying, do you disagree that there is not, you could say, do you disagree that there is? Hey guys, so that's everything for double negatives. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you learned how to catch when you use double negatives and how to change your sentences around so you can refrain from using them.